Okay, so today we're going to replace a cabin filter for this Yaris. You have a Yaris. This is how you change the cabin filter. So it's gonna be under the glove box here. So what you do is just push this corner, this side, to release the lock. See, there's a lock. There is a lock there. You have to push it this way. So you push it, and then it will let go like this and come out. So here's where your cabin filter lives. There's a tab here that you have to pull out like that, and here it is. Just pull it out like that. Right. Yeah, it's been sit here for a while. It's not that bad, but it's full of dust, so it's a good thing to replace. So in case you're looking for the same brand, so there's the part number right there. Okay, sometimes there's an instruction on the filter, but in this case, I guess it doesn't matter. The old one says, I didn't say anything in the old one, so I guess this doesn't matter. But I would go, yeah, so I would go on this dark side up. The clean side is in the bottom, and I would go this way, and when you put it in, see, there is no really enough space here to put it, slide it properly straight way. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna slide it sideways like this, and then kind of make your way in like that until it goes straight, and then you can push it. There you go. So now it's pushed in. Just put the lock back, cover back. Wait, I think I got it wrong. Okay, here it is. So there's it says up, that's on your side, and then you kind of hook it up on that corner there, right? Well, and this, and I think there's should be two corner here, but the lock, but I think it's broken. The other lock is broken, the other slot. So you're only one slot left, so at least there's one slot there, as you can see, right? It's supposed to be there's two slots, but anyway. So slide that in there and then push it here, right? And that's it. So put back your glove box, just reverse the way you remove it. Careful, there is a clamp there, right? It goes to the kind of pin here. Just probably push it. There you go. Once you push it in, and then it locks up, and that's it. There you go, you're done. So if this thing helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and share so we can make more of this video. Thank you for watching.